The hyena is known for its greedy, reckless personality and is a troublemaker. It is the fearsome hunter of Africa, second only to the lion. Once in the hands of these assassins, the prey absolutely cannot survive. But many times, their lives are also in danger. These two hyenas are being threatened by the Wild Dog Corporation. One of them had to plunge into the waterhole to avoid danger. The hyena was taking care of the dead cubs. These daring, wild dogs, relying on their large numbers to attack this poor hyena. Aggressively biting into the body of a lone. 1 versus 5. The hyena is so weak against these belligerents. Fortunately, its comrades came to save its life. Successfully stealing food from a leopard, but these hyenas cannot enjoy the meal peacefully. Six adult wild dogs immediately approached, surrounding the hyena. The battle begins. Unpleasant sounds. Their body had many wounds. The hyenas then had to share their lunch. In Mala Mala, a pack of wild dogs aggressively pursues the wandering hyena. Combined attack. The hyena doesn't seem to be the match for these daredevils. Adult hyenas relentlessly attack a young one of the same clan. Why did this happen? So cruel and brutal. This animal is so pitiful. Screams of pain. The hind leg was broken. Having difficulty in movement, you know what? Greed and recklessness cost it a high price. Fortunately, it still managed to save its life. In late August, a female hyena was seen at the waterhole, walking limply. Its front elbow joint was severely damaged. There were cuts around its face, and one of its hind legs could not feel anything. No one knows exactly what it went through. Lions or other hyenas, who did this? Did you know that the Guinness Book of Records named the honey badger as the scariest animal on the planet? Confronted with two ferocious little assassins, the big hyena must also be wary. Honey badgers can savagely and fearlessly attack nearly any species. They often forage in pairs, known for their ferocity and toughness. No fear of large predators. Continuous attack. The hyena jumped back in fear. Elsewhere, the lone honey badger is looking for food. It is threatened by those who like to cause trouble. Imagine if a honey badger was the size of a leopard. The hyenas won't be safe after this behavior. Not always predators, there are times when hyenas fall into a passive case. In nature, wars for food always happen. Two hyenas steal food from wild dogs. One of them got the meal, but the other one was unlucky. It was surrounded by a group of belligerent wild dogs. Fortunately, no damage occurred. Without a doubt, hyenas are the best laughing species. An ordinary greeting turns into a haunting laugh as the male pleads for mercy from the surrounding females. It's hard to imagine these sounds coming from a mammal. Want to eat a python? Is this easy? In the wild, clashing with the wrong opponent can cost any animal a life. Confronted with this cold-blooded killer, the hyena has no chance of survival. Squeezed to the point of suffocation. A painful death. The hyena becomes the meal of the giant python. A rare footage. Two hungry hyenas encounter a python right on the road. Stalking. And approach. If it doesn't want to get in trouble, don't ever touch this guy. Did you see anything? The African rock python swallowed a hyena. Too brutal. Will it be able to successfully digest them all? Surprise attack. Baboons scare hyenas away. Another hyena also put itself in danger. Reckless attack on the newborn baby antelope. But not allowed. The antelope parents used the power of the horns to counterattack. The hyena had to give up its prey to preserve its life. This hyena hunts wildebeest for a very long time with amazing endurance. Determined not to let the prey go. This hunter can run almost tirelessly for about 65 kilometers per hour. Successfully separated the prey. But maybe today is not a lucky day for hunting. The amazing interaction of wild dogs and hyenas at the waterhole. This hyena tries to steal a meal from a pack of wild dogs. The adult wild dogs don't let that happen. The hyena was pushed into the water. It was unable to come ashore. A gentle punishment.
Finally, we would like to thank all of you who have followed the hawk from the first videos until now, and we always welcome new viewers to the channel. Follow the work that we do every day to send you the best videos. These are 2 of our video editors, and here are 2 of our research and content writers. We all work up to 12 hours a day to be able to upload 2 videos a day. Don't hesitate to share the video with your friends. Thanks again. See you in the next video.